My name is Javian Sadler. I represent the HEART movement. HEART stands for Helping Enlighten At-Risk Teens. Currently what we're trying to do is help homeless young men 18 to 21 to get a place to live, and also train these young brothers in understanding the rules and legalities of life. I'm a former police officer for the Wayne County Sheriff's Department, and I have 3 other partners who are retired and 1 current sheriff on board to help train these young brothers in learning the law. A lot of brothers do not know about the state constitution, the United States Constitution, and how to get out of trouble because of statutory laws that are in place designed by court systems. So we want to educate these young brothers in learning how not to freeze up every time you see a police, and just because you're black does not mean you're guilty. What else we want to learn how to show these young brothers how to do is farm. And I'm in a process myself learning how to make my own African soap and shea butter. Well, if these young brothers are on a budget and they cannot afford to go buy things for the month, they know how to sell, to make these items themselves, but yet we will teach them how to go downtown to get a vendor's license and also to sell these products. So the HEART movement is all about making men become real men and staying out of prison and learning how to utilize their brain. We also know for a fact that everybody is not able to go to college. We will show young brothers how to be entrepreneurs, but this program is not exempting young ladies as well, because there's a crisis for our young black sisters as well. And the program, let me say this for one, is open to anybody. It's not about a race, it's about a people. But fundamentals are what we want to get back to, such as, having young men open up their own real estate companies, their own electrical companies, heating and cooling. What we want to do is empower the masses because we lack power. So therefore, HEART is going to come along and try to alleviate a lot of struggles. Our main priority is to put prisons out of business. Okay, that's what we want to do. So my name is Javian Sadler. If anybody ever needs to reach me, you can reach me at 313-207-3379. That's my cell phone. And my email address is Sadler, S-A-D-L-E-R, FLY, F-L-Y, @ATT.net. Thank you.